Nature's Dance by Ambrosia Oladele, Saints Peter and Paul Preparatory School, Kingston, Jamaica. The sun awakes and shines so bright. Birds begin to sing with sweet delight, and a ray of trees sway side to side. Lizards run quickly in need to hide. Soft raindrops tap a gentle song as children laugh and dance along. Colorful butterflies flutter in the breeze, while banana leaves whisper with ease. The blue mountains wear a majestic crown as stars shine when the night comes down. Nature speaks in color and cheer. God's creation is always near. Nature, nature, oh sweet nature, to be enjoyed by every creature. Let us all do our part to ensure its beauty never departs.